In this makeup tutorial, we'll be doing botched plastic surgery makeup. If you still don't know what you want to go as for Halloween, maybe this might inspire you. So, let's get started. To start off this makeup, you're going to need red powdered cosmetic. Go slightly underneath where your eye is, and also put this onto your cheek, but don't go past where your cheekbone is. Put makeup in the inner portion of where your nose is, on the circle of your chin to your lip, and also slightly above your eyebrow. After you have this cosmetic down, go and follow this up with black lines. These should follow where the red is on your cheeks. After that is done, put 2 lines at the corners of your mouth. From there, go and follow up where your chin is, along with also where your lip is, with more of these black lines. Do this on both sides of your chin. After that is done, you're going to go and draw arrows above your eyebrow. Start off with 3 lines. It's a lot easier if you put the line down first. And a great tip is to go and stabilize your hand as much as you possibly can. After you have the line drawn, go and draw 2 more lines to go and make the arrow. Again, you're going to need to stabilize your hand. I'm using my palm on my chin. And yes, the one that was in the middle did get a little wonky, but that can easily happen. These arrows are not the easiest to go and put on. From there, go and add purple to where your eye and your nose is. You're going to want to make it look like your nose, along with also your eyes, are slightly bruised. Add yellow in the middle, and then add red to the sides. This should be on the sides of your nose. Blend it out slightly after you put some red down, and follow it up with a little bit more red that's very, very vibrant. Put a band-aid down. I'm using one of the band-aids that you would use for your thumb or somewhere like that on your body. And what I'm doing is I'm going and just sistering the 2 sides up to make it look like it's kind of inflamed under where the nose is. Put down red cosmetic where all of the black lines are. Slightly blend it out with your finger. Make sure to get your chin as well. And also to put a small amount under each of the arrows where your eyebrow is. From there, follow this up with some fake blood. Make sure to go and blend out the fake blood as well too when you put it down. This should go over each of the black lines. Now add fake blood to your nose along with also around where the band-aid is. Make sure to get the upper portion as well, just don't get any of the fake blood into your eyes. After that is done, put some into the corners of your mouth, and your makeup when you are done should look a little something like this. I am posting 31 days of Halloween makeup, special effects tutorials, and also spooky makeup. So, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and happy spooky season!